Hello and welcome to your very first Java tutorial. And in this tutorial I'm going to be creating a simple hello everyone program, and I'm going to be explaining what all of these mean, and maybe I'll go over a bit of variables. So package, just practicing, this is just a way of organizing things. A package is just a way of organizing classes. It categorizes classes. So for example, here's just practicing here, and I have all my classes here are organized into this package. Alright, and then class, that's just what we have to do in Java. We have to create a class before we code anything. And then this whole thing here is called a method, and we always have to create a main method because it calls on all the other methods which are vital for the program to work. So without a main method, nothing would work. And the main method we created by saying public static void main string args, and I'm going to explain what these concepts mean. For now I can explain what public means because I think you already know it, and because well, I don't know how to explain these other things. So public is just not private, it's available to the public. I'm kidding. Public actually means that all the classes that I create in this package, it can be used in that class. So I can call the method because it's available to those classes. So it's public. It's not private. If I set it private, then only this class can use that method. And then let's see what else can I explain here. Void means that it's not returning anything. In Java, we normally return something when we call on that method, but void means it's not returning anything. And main, well, you have to call this method main because it's the main method. And then this is the parameter that you just need to copy for now, but I'll go over it some other time. So anyway, to create a simple print statement, all you gotta do is say system dot out dot print line, and in this print line, and in this print line statement we put in 2 quotation marks, and whatever we want to print out we put it in those we put it right there. Alright, so let's just say I want to print out hello everyone, and let's go and run this and see what happens. Whoa, nothing happened. What did I do wrong? Oh, there's it. Hello everyone. Alright, and then so let me just go over what the system.out.print line actually means. The way I think of it is we're telling the system to print out a line. This is the line, of course, and line actually it really just means that this thing, whatever I'm printing out, should be on a distinct line. It shouldn't be shared with another text. So for example, if I now go system.out.print and not print line, just print, and I put how are you, then this thing will be printed on another line, since we already told Java that this thing should be on its distinct line. So anything, even if this thing is not on its distinct line, it should be separate from this line. So let me go ahead and show you that. See, hello everyone and how are you, this thing should be on its own line, and this thing, well, it could share. I mean, if I put in another print statement, I'll show you, it will share the same, it will share a line. Let's put hello YouTube. Right, so you can see that it shared a line with the statement here, how are you, hello YouTube. Doesn't make sense, but anyway, hello everyone had to be on its distinct line because we made that statement here, it has to be on a separate line, and these things can share a line. Alright, now let me go over a little bit of variables. So variables is basically just a way of storing things. So we have different types of variables in Java. We have integer variables, we have double variables, and doubles are just numbers with decimal points, and integers are, if you ever took a math class, and you'd know that integers are just numbers without decimal points. They are like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. They are numbers, not 7.1. 7.1, that would be like a double. And then we have string variables. Now string variables, they store basically text. So I'm going to create a string variable and show you what I mean. So string anything, and anything is just a name that I'm giving to the string variable, and we can put how are you again, and we need to put a semicolon to end the statement, and now we can print this system.out.print line, and whenever we printing out something that we already defined somewhere else, like a variable in this case, then we do not need to put it in quotation marks, because, well, it's storing a piece of text. So that text, if we were to put it directly in here, we'd need to put in quotation marks, but if we're not putting it directly, then obviously we just put in something that represents it, so we wouldn't put the quotation marks. Wow, sounds like I don't know what the hell was happening to me. How are you? There we go. So does anything store this piece of text, and therefore we render it when we put it in this print statement. And then let's see, anything else? Let's print out an integer. We put, when we make an integer, we put int, not integer, but that's totally wrong. So just put int, we can name it x, and let's put 6, the number 6, and then we can make another integer, y, let's put the number, I don't know, 7. And now let's make a sum of these integers, so we say sum, and we can put it to, we can set it equal to x plus y, and put a semicolon, and then we can put system.out.print line, and let's put in the sum in there. So the sum represents 6 plus 7, because it's x plus y. X is equal to 6 and y is equal to 7. So x plus y would be equal to 6 plus 7, which is 13. So we should get 13 when we run this program. Let's see if we do. And there we go, 13. So I hope you enjoyed the tutorial and you got to learn the fun of Java, and see you in the next tutorial.